एक्सक्यूज़ मी मैम, आप मधुमक्खी हो क्या? क्योंकि आपको देखने के बाद मेरे दिल में आपके लिए छत बन रहा है। मधुमक्खी का छत होता है ना? By the way, my name is AJ. What's your name?
Runari.
Yeah, it's kind of a random situation, but I just saw you and I just thought कि मैं आपसे बात करूं. So you believe in love at first sight? You don't believe. Even I don't believe. Yeah. We should meet again and again then. See, we both don't believe in love at first sight. तो love decide करने के लिए वापस अपने को मिलना ज़रूरी है ना? Yeah. What your name you said?
Runali.
Amazing, yeah. कार्ड छपवा सकता हो ना? वेडिंग का. So basically I'm an artist guy, so flute बजाता हूँ मैं. Yeah. तुम्हें देखने के बाद अपने आप फ्लूट बज रहा है, बजाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ रही. So what you do actually? You're working student, you're a model? Oh my god. फिर बच के रहना पड़ेगा. I'm kind of a possessive boyfriend.
Oh,
So
you're my boyfriend.
I'll be your boyfriend if you say yes.
No.
You see, you're saying no, but you maybe say yes in future.
No.
Maybe you'll say
No.
after 3 years.
No.
You'll say no only.
No.
But still you will date me.
No.
Yeah, I know, I know. I'm getting your answer by your smile.
No.
That is a clear yes to me.
No.
Why?
No.
Smile if you love me. See? Why you are smiling? Do you feel that is there anything less in my body, or I am not a perfect guy for you?
Nothing like
You're dating someone?
No.
Then what is the problem? What is the issue? If everything is fine, then why you are not giving me a vote?
What?
Vote, BJP vote. See? So do you think I don't like you?
What do you mean by that?
You think that I like you, right? I also think that you like me
How?
because you are smiling.
Oh, really?
Your smile is very important for me. Because whenever you smile, it feels like everything is going cool, chill, happy vibe. Yeah. और कुछ नहीं बेबी. तुम्हें कुछ चाहिए? You want coffee or something?
No, thank you.
You don't want anything? You just want my hand in your hand? That's all. That's all you want.
No.
You want me in your future. That's all you want. What exactly you want? You want my smile? Okay, you don't want my smile. Ah, interesting. See, my girlfriend is very interesting.
I'm not your girlfriend.
You're not? Why?
No, I'm not your girlfriend.
Then why you are smiling? See, you will keep smiling. See?
I'm not smiling at all.
Oh, okay, you're crying.
Yes.
You're crying because you got, oh my God, good boyfriend. Finally, I got good boyfriend. So, what you like to eat? Like I'm ordering something. You want me to order something?
Thank you.
Chicken biryani?
No, thank you.
You like chicken biryani, right?
No.
You don't like chicken biryani. What biryani you like? Paneer biryani. So what you want? Maggi?
No.
So what exactly you want?
Nothing.
Nothing. Let me order nothing. It's kind of a cool situation right now. आप रहते कहाँ पे हो? गोवा में रहते हो? OMG. It's my favorite place, you know. Goa is, you know, you already know. Oh my God.
Oh.
अच्छा है यार. So, what is your favorite state in India? Mumbai. You like Mumbai? I am from Mumbai only.
Oh, really?
Your sasural is from Mumbai.
Oh. Oh, भाई.
Oh, bhai, maro, mujhe maro. Yeah. So you're dating someone? You're not dating anyone. So what is the problem? What's holding you back?
I don't believe in.
Let's date. Let's do one thing. Let's be no strings, not attach relationship.
Oh.
No strings, no attach. You do whatever you want, and I'll do whatever I want.
Thank you.
But I'll be loyal. What happened? See, you're still happy with this offer.
No.
This kind of a cool offer, right? Yes, you're saying yes.
No.
Okay.
No.
तो क्या डन? आप कुछ बोलोगी या सिर्फ यस नो बोलोगी?
क्या बोलूँ मैं?
आप बहुत कुछ बोल सकती हो, मुझे बोल सकती हो मैं तुमसे प्यार करती हूँ,
No. नहीं करती.
फिर से नो ही बोले. नो और यस के अलावा कुछ आंसर दो.
क्या बोलूँ?
क्या बोलूँ ये आंसर नहीं होता है.
क्या बोलूँ?
ये क्वेश्चन है. आंसर दो, आंसर. मैं तुम्हें कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा उसका आंसर दो, बट उसका आंसर यस का नो होगा और नो का यस होगा. ठीक है?
Okay.
तुम मुझसे प्यार करती हो?
Yes.
इट मीन्स यस.
No. No.
इट मीन्स यस.
No.
सी,
वो तो आपने बोला ना मेरे को.
मैं बोलूँगा तो तुम वो करोगी. मतलब तुम मेरी बात मानने लगी हो. रिलेशनशिप में आने के बाद एक दूसरे की बात मानते हैं ना लोग.
नहीं.
मैं तो तुम्हारी हर बात मानने के लिए रेडी हूँ, चाहे वो रिलेशन हो या ना हो.
जाओ.
कहाँ जाओ? तुम्हें छोड़ के नहीं जा सकता ना.
भाई. चाहते
पूरी तुम्हें चाहता हूँ.
ओह. वाह. क्यों?
रीज़न नहीं है ना.
रीजन
रीज़न होना चाहिए क्या प्यार करने के लिए?
इससे पहले हम मिले.
हाँ,
इससे पहले हम कभी मिले.
इसके बाद मिलेंगे ना.
ओह. नो नो नो. भाई मारो मुझे.
मारना क्यों है? बोलो किस करो मुझे.
नो
नो,
नो.
तुम मारो मुझे.
मारो मुझे.
ओके, सो वी कैन एक्सचेंज द नंबर ना. यू डिसाइड लाइक अगर तुम्हें अच्छा लगा तो वी कैन मीट नेक्स्ट वीक मे बी